Yeah, welcome to the data farming platform. Just going to show you today how to log in, create an account, and then add a farm and draw some paddocks. So there's two ways you can get into this. One is directly through our website, which is datafarming.com.au, or you can go directly to maps.datafarming.com.au. There's a big login button there, and it will take you to this login page. If you've logged in previously, it will automatically bring up your login details. If this is the first time, you'll see a screen like this where you can actually sign up. So today we'll just log in using an existing one we have. So you just use your work email. You can use the social media, but the work email is good. We can keep you up to date of things that change as well. So then you just log in, and if you're logged in for the first time, you'll just see this screen where you can add a farm, and you can just call that farm whatever you like. Just farm 1 today, and you can see there's no paddocks. You can either upload a KML or zipped shapefile. Now, just to explain that, if you have an account or with another mapping program, and it can export as a Google KML, or whether you have Google Earth with the KML file, you can bring that straight in. As long as all the paddocks are in the one farm, in the one file, you can bring that straight in. The zipped shapefile, that's if you've been using other mapping programs. Again, all of the paddocks need to be in the one file. Unfortunately, other programs such as John Deere exports each paddock as a separate file, so we can help you pull all those together, but basically you need it all in one zipped shapefile, and it'll bring that in very easily. The other option is if you don't have any of those files of your paddock boundaries, you can quickly draw. It will automatically zoom to Australia, and let's just pick an area of in Wagga in New South Wales, for example. It will zoom you into Wagga. You just find your paddock and just pick this field here just randomly. And you can see you get a blue dot up. If you haven't got the blue dot, you just go back to draw again. You can either click back to the original start point, or you can hit finish drawing. You can see it turns orange, and we can confirm that paddock is correct and call it paddock 11. And at this stage we need to know the crop type. It helps us understand the range of crops that are growing, and so just pick the crop type that suits you at this stage. So I'll just pick barley today, and it's going away registering that field. As soon as it's done that, it's looking now for every single available satellite image over that site, and it takes a little while, but it'll now load up all the available dates, and you can see the latest date that just popped up here. If you want to draw more paddocks, you simply click back at the data farming icon at the top there, the logo, and you'll see now we have one paddock on farm 1. We can view that again or draw another paddock. So let's draw the paddock next door. You'll notice that it automatically snaps to the previous field, so you can draw your paddocks close to each other. We'll call that paddock 12, and it's also got barley in it. Now we have 2 fields drawn in the program. You can quickly zoom to the extent of those fields by clicking the E button, or zooming in and zooming out with the zoom buttons over on the left hand side there. The other thing we can do, we'll go back to the screen here, is you can see there's a share button. So if you want to share this farm with someone else, they have to be a registered user. Let's say I want to share that with this user here. All I need to do is put their email in and hit share, and straight away we know that that farm is being shared with this user here. They just have to be registered. They don't have to do anything else, as long as they're registered. So if you're an agronomist, you can share that with your farmers, and also unshare that user. Let me just share that in, I'll show you. Share, and when you click there, you'll see now we have shared that with one person. We can also delete this farm by hitting the delete button, and you have to type in delete exactly like that, and it will delete that farm. Thanks for watching. The next video will be about accessing the actual NDVI data itself.